Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make an easy mojito. Let's start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves, 1 whole lime, and 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. Don't forget your favorite white rum, some crisp club soda, and plenty of crushed ice. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a perfectly refreshing drink every time. Now, let's get to the heart of the mojito, muddling. Place your 10 to 12 mint leaves into a sturdy glass. Add 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar and the juice from 1/2 of your lime. Gently muddle these ingredients together for about 15 to 20 seconds. The goal is to release the mint's aromatic oils without tearing the leaves too much, which prevents any bitterness in your delicious drink. Next, it's time to add the spirit of our mojito. Carefully pour 2 ounces of your preferred white rum into the glass, directly over the muddled mint, sugar, and lime. Then, fill the entire glass to the brim with crushed ice. This ensures your mojito is perfectly chilled and refreshing from the very first sip. Give it a gentle stir for about 5 seconds to mix everything evenly. For the grand finale, top off your glass with approximately 4 ounces of crisp club soda. This adds that delightful fizz and lightens the drink beautifully. Give it one final, very gentle stir. To make it look as good as it tastes, garnish your mojito with a fresh lime wedge and a vibrant sprig of mint. Now, your easy, refreshing mojito is ready to be enjoyed. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.